Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing lights for the world to become better. Today I want to speak to ingane zesithunywa, the chosen ones, and abantu nje abaqubuka ebukhosini, because of masikhuluma ngobukhosi, royalty, most of the time people, when they think of ubukhosi, they think of wealth, money, living the best life, and just nje yazini vele uyathotshelwa unayo yonke imali washa kwacima. Lalela ngane yesithunywa, you probably descend from ebukhosini basemazulwini, because of ingane zesithunywa. Isithunywa is natural, umoya uphila ngaphakathi kwena, umoya owaphiwa uyena umdali umvelinqangi. Wathi mawuzalwa wawunomoya ophila ngaphakathi kwena, uthi uyakhula lo moya uyakhula ngaphakathi kwena, and then isikhathi masifika bese ke ingilosi iyaphakama. A lot of people out there, they will be saying you must drink this, you must drink FG, you must drink that, you must drink. Kuningi abantu abakuphuzayo la ngaphandle, kuningi abantu abakwenzayo abaphalazayo bathi bafuna ingilosi zabo ziphakama. But mina sengihlangabene nabantu abaningi abangadingi ukuphuza izinto, kodwa abadinga ukuthi bakhuleke, and then just eat clean and drink water. Kunabantu abaningi sengihlangane nabo. Labo bantu, I define them as ingane zesithunywa ezinomoya ophakeme, ingane eziqubuka ebukhosini and ubukhosi bamazulu, because of what God has instilled in those people is natural. Abadinge kubhema sniff, abadinge kushunqisa impepho, kodwa lento iyakamoya ingaphakathi kubona, ikubona into zabo. And abanye babo, they are underrated, and abanye babo, they are looked down upon, and they are very powerful, and they are very wealthy. And asisho ke ukuthi masithi wealthy ucabange zonke imali. Those people are living in abundance in such a way they never run dry, they never go hungry, they pray, they help people, banenhliziyo evulekile, bayaphana, izinto nje. Inkosi ihlezi balekelela, inkosi ihlezi ibasiza, and they glow naturally. We can even say ingilosi eyiphila emhlabeni, ezifike in a form of human beings, but they're not necessarily human beings, those people, because of ifavor abanayo. Bathunyiwe laba bantu, bezosebenza labo bantu, and I'm speaking to them. If one you haven't discovered ukuthi you are those type of people, uzobona ukuthi ijeni yakho yesithunya angeke izifane nalezi zabanye abantu. Abanye bathi baye emiphophomeni, abanye bathi baye entabeni, abanye all of this journey yesithunya abantu there's somewhere la bakhona badla amagobonga, bawadla kodwa ayikho into esukumayo, ayikho into ephakama. Ngeke uyichukuluze ingilosi uyiphakamise ngenkani, more especially ingilosi yobukhosi, ubukhosi basezulwini, ubukhosi bakamvelinqangi. Ngeke nje umane uthi shunqisa impepho or uphuzisa umuntu wakhona bese into yakhona ethi wo mhlawumbe icala ikhuluma, angeke kuze kwenzakale, ngoba inkosi umvelinqangi uqobo lwakhe usebenza ngemfihlakalo. Kunabantu la ngaphandle engifuna ukubafundisa ukuthi ulolu uyahamba uyaqiqa uyenyuka ugcwala amathafa la ulo busy. Hey mama vuku, hey I'm in this journey, ngifuna ukuvusa umoya wami kuthiwa ngiphuze. Yeyi wena, mhlawumbe uwe lo ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi angeke uphuziswe lutho, kuyozenzakalela naturally. So mhlawumbe wena uyongena kwelinye isonto kushaywe isigubhu ingilosi iphakama. Mhlawumbe wena kukhona oyoshona ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho, ethi meshona loyo muntu bese ingilosi yakho iyaphakama. Kunezimo ezenzakalayo ezihlukile la ingilosi iphakama natural, iphakamela natural. Kunabantu ekuthiwa baphakamisela izithunya la ngaphandle, baphuziswe wona lamagobongo, baphuza kodwa kungayenzakali next. Kunabantu abaphuza ijoko, itiye la ngaphandle, baphuze. Yes, uzoliphuza sizogcwala isisu uphatho womchamo, lizoklina lona lelo tiya, kodwa eqinisweni eyakhe ingilosi ayiphakanyiswa izinto zala emhlabeni. Eyakho iphakanyiswa yiwona mazulu. Amazulu mase wathi it is time for Magaziwe to go up. Ngesikhathi time, it is time ukuthi iphakame le ngilosi, it is time ukuthi isebenze le ngilosi. Yaphakama le ngilosi. Akusinto ya wonke umuntu ke leyo, akusiya wonke umuntu ke leyo, ngoba kukhona abanye bazothi no mina kumele ngiye emanzini, ngafaka emanzini, then ke ingilosi yaqhuma ke yaba right. From lapho ke ngaba right. Akusi isona sonke ingane zesithunywa, izithunywa zethu efuna ukuthi senze kanjalo. You just need to pray and get to understand ukuthi eyakho ingilosi isebenza kanjani. Masikhuluma ngobukhosi bamazulu, uzalwa nayo lento ingaphakathi kwena, lento izosebenza whether you like it or not. Izozibonakalisa kuwe le ngilosi ohamba nayo ephila kuwena, izozibonakalisa ukuthi this is me, and izokutshela ukuthi ifuna ukuthi uwenzeni. Hence you find people calling themselves that they are self-initiates. It's because of ingilosi zethu ayifanani. Khona ingilosi ezizofuna ukulekelelwa ubonisa umuntu ozokusiza, khona ingilosi ezingafuna ukulekelelwa eziwaziyo umsebenzi wayo, ukuthi wena kuzomela ukuthi ukhuleke, uvule inhliziyo, ukhuleke okweqiniso, then you are fine and you defeat izitha zakho, you defeat a lot of people by just praying, and into zakho zihlala ziwulayini ngomkhuleko kuphela. So I really want to speak to lezi ingane zesithunywa ezikhethiwe, ezinobukhosi basemazulwini. Labo bantu abaningi babo abanayo futhi ugobela. Into yabo iyimfihlakalo, imfihlo nje yasemazulwini. Kusetshenzwa ngemfihlakalo lapho. Kuthiwa hayi umagic, kuthiwa hayi hey asazi ukuthi wenze kanjani, kodwa imfihlo. Njengoba nayo umveli inqanga yimfihlo self, awumoya nje esumemezayo. Nabo laba bantu ingilosi zabo zisebenza ngani? Ngemfihlakalo. Akuna trace yokuthi hayi waphuza iFG umoya waphakama, waphuza igobongo umoya waphakama. Cha. It is not like that. Not wonke umuntu kumele aphuze igobonga, asifanani. Naturally so sithi seyiqhumela. If kumele uye emanzini uyisiwe emanzini, if kumele kwenziwe something kuzokwenza lokho, but eqinisweni lamaqiniso kunabantu abaspecial la ngaphandle. Ijeni yabo yesithunywa ayifane neya wonke umuntu. akusuka ukuthi lo muntu uzohamba yentwaseni, cha, uthwasa elele, uthwasa bone yonke into imenzakalela, uthi ehleli uyabona, uthi ehamba uyabona, konke uyatshelwa, konke uyaboniswa, konke uhlengiwe lo muntu. Ungabe uhleli lapho kanti wena loyo muntu lo, and you find that ukuthi you've been to a lot of people who are trying to help you kodwa abakwazi ukukusiza. Abanye baze begcine becamba manga bathi hayi ingilosi yakho ithulile ilele ayenze, kanti cha, ithulele nje ibhekile le ngilosi ukuthi wenzani lo, wenzani, uyafuthiswa, uyaphalaziswa, hey uphiwe iwasho zokuthi ugeze, kodwa kusafana mhlambe ngikhuluma nawe wena lokumele umamele la ukuthi eyakho mhlambe akusiyona le ekumele yenze zonke lezi zinto zokugeza ngale iwasho nako konke, akusiyona, yenzi kanjalo, idinga nje wena ukuthi ukhuleke and just wait for instruction ngesikhathi. And we can go around bakutshela ukuthi unengilosi, une-gift, unani, except that, okay, people are saying continue to pray. Isikhathi masifika uzocacelwa, uzowazi ukuthi kumele kwenzakale ngesimo sakho, hayi ngokujaha, hayi ngokugijima, ngoba thi ngikutshela, I'm going to share this, it's what happened to me. People would see that I have a gift, but people will say, hayi asimseni emanzini, asimseni kuphi. People ke kumele gijima manje ngifake emanzini. But when I came back, so people, I don't know, maybe they were expecting that they were going to see miracles after I went to the waters. Oh, ingilosi yakho. Yeah, so nawe la ukhona mhlambi yasho nje ukuthi wenzani lo, wenzani, what is this person doing, what are you doing, your time is coming, but just enjoy this whole process of becoming, because of hey uyawaphuza lama FG, uyaphalaza, ukwenza kodwa you are still the same person. Anyway, you don't need to rush your journey esithunywa asifanani ngisasho, kodwa ngifuna ukuchazela laba aba-chosen, aba nobukhosi basezulwini, abazalwa nayo lento, and when it shows itself naturally, ivele iphinde futhi iyehle naturally, and you become normal like nothing happened. That's how natural it is. So you really need to pray and spend time alone and really try to discover yourself. Ubone ukuthi what type, because you'd be crying, because I had people saying, oh, I've went through this, I've went through that, I've went to 1, 2, 3. Kanti yours is just natural. It just needs you to pray and stay clean. That's all. Akube ubumbano nozwano nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Ngiyanithanda abantu. Have a beautiful weekend. Enjoy. Mwah.